Good morning, sweetie. How are you today?
Morning, Dad. I'm still sleepy.
I know, honey. Monday mornings are tough, but you need to eat your breakfast. We have to leave for the bus stop soon.
Okay. Is it sunny outside?
Yes, it's a beautiful sunny day. It's not cold. Perfect weather for a school day.
Good. I don't like my big jacket.
You can wear your light blue jacket today. It's in your backpack. Is your backpack ready?
I think so. My books and my notebook are inside.
Great. Don't forget your water bottle. Hurry up with your cereal, please. The bus waits for no one.
Okay, Dad. I'm almost done.
Are you ready to go?
Yes, let's go.
Wait, let me check. Backpack, water bottle, lunchbox. Okay, good. All set. It is a nice morning for a walk, isn't it?
Yes. Look at the little bird on that tree.
I see it. It's singing. We need to walk a bit faster, Lily. We don't want to miss the bus.
Okay, Dad. I can walk fast.
That's my girl. The bus stop is just around the corner.
Here we are. Let's wait here. The bus will come soon.
How many minutes, Dad?
About 5 minutes. Look, the bus stop sign has the number 15. That's our bus.
Okay, number 15.
Oh, look at that elderly lady across the street. She wants to cross. The cars are very fast here.
Can we help her?
That's a very kind idea, Lily. Yes, we can. But we must be very careful. Hold my hand.
I will.
See the traffic light? We have to wait for the little green man to appear.
It's red now. Red means stop.
That's exactly right. We must wait. Now it's green. The little green man is walking. Now we can cross. Let's go. Walk slowly and carefully. We can walk with her.
Okay. Hello. We can help you cross the street.
There we go. All safe on the other side.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
That was a very nice thing to do. I'm proud of you. But now we need to run back to the bus stop quickly.
Oh no, our bus.
Don't worry. I see it coming down the street. We have time.
Here it is, number 15. Let's get on.
It's very big.
Yes. Remember to say good morning to the bus driver.
Good morning.
Okay, let's find a seat. Oh, it's very crowded today.
There are no seats, Dad.
That's okay. We can stand. Hold on to this pole very tightly. You need to hold on with both hands.
Like this?
Perfect. Hold on tight, especially when the bus starts and stops. Be very careful.
I will.
There are so many people.
Yes, it's a busy morning. Are you okay? Do you have enough space?
Yes, I'm okay. I'm holding on tight.
Good girl.
Look out the window. We are moving fast.
I see. Our school street soon?
Not yet. A few more stops. Just keep holding on. We will be there soon.
Okay, Dad. I'm being careful.
Okay, the bus is stopping. Let's move closer to the door.
Is this our stop?
Not this one. The next one is ours. We need to be ready to get off quickly.
I'm ready.
Good. Hold my hand when we walk to the door. The bus might be shaky.
Okay. I'm holding your hand.
Perfect. Now, remember to say thank you to the driver when we get off.
I will. Thank you for reminding me.
You're welcome. Always be polite. Now get ready. The bus is slowing down.
Is this our stop now?
Yes, this is it. Let's go. There we are, off the bus. Now we walk to your school. It's not far.
I like this part. We can see the flowers.
Yes, it's a nice walk. Hold my hand while we're on the sidewalk.
Okay. How many minutes to school?
About 3 minutes. Are you excited for school today?
Yes. We have art class today. I like drawing.
That's wonderful. What will you draw today?
Maybe a flower or a dog.
I'm sure it will be beautiful. Remember to listen to your teacher.
I always listen, Dad.
I know you do. You're a very good student. Look, we're almost there.
Look, Dad, a small dog.
Oh, yes. He's very friendly. See how he wags his tail?
Can we say hello?
Just for a moment. We must ask the owner first. Excuse me, is it okay to say hello to your dog?
He's so cute.
Remember to be gentle. Pet him softly.
Okay. Hello, little dog.
That's enough for now. We need to get to your school gate. It's right there.
Okay, Dad.
Do you have everything? Your backpack? Your lunchbox?
Yes, I have everything.
Good. Have a wonderful day at school. Learn lots and have fun.
I will. Goodbye, Dad.
Goodbye, sweetie. I'll see you after school.
Dad, over here. Hello, my dear. How was your day? It was great. Look at my drawing. I drew a dog, like we saw this morning. Wow, this is beautiful. You're such a good artist. Tell me all about your day on our way home. Okay, and can we get some ice cream? Of course we can. A little treat for my wonderful daughter. I want chocolate chip ice cream, Dad, and maybe some sprinkles. Well, let's see what they have. 1 scoop or 2? 1 big scoop, please. Good afternoon. We'd like 1 scoop of chocolate chip in a cone, please, and maybe some sprinkles on top. Just a small coffee for me, thank you. Look, Dad, he's putting a lot of sprinkles. That's perfect. Don't forget to say thank you. Thank you very much. Is it good? It's the best. This is the best day ever. I'm glad you think so. Now, tell me more about that drawing you made.